What's going on, everyone? Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in for another video. We're gonna jump straight into it today. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll be doing a giveaway at 250 subscribers. Please check the description for the details. I've opened up this one before and I had a pretty good time with it, so we're gonna open up again. Cost me $55. And I believe there's a guaranteed Sun and Moon and X and Y in here. So let's see what we get. Stellar Crown. Okay. This is different from last time. Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure. That's different, okay. Fusion Strike. And we have Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. And X and Y Fates Collide. Okay. As always, I'll put the prices on there. I don't have one of these, so I'll probably save it. But I will open the X and Y Fates Collide because I do have some of those. Stellar Crown. I think the Magikarp is what we're shooting for in this one. I believe that's the best pull. If I'm wrong, I will put something in the video for what the best pull is. Okay. Let's go ahead and open the Japanese or Chinese. I will put what set this is in the description or in the video because I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese or even what you can pull out of here. Like I said, it's different from last time, but kind of looks like they just threw it in there. I don't know if they didn't have the volume or the price wise. I don't know. Kind of looked like a filler to me. Fusion Strike. I think the Gengar is the best one in here. Gengar VMAX maybe? And then any of the Mews I know in this set are pretty good. Nothing. Okay. You know what? Let's just open both of them up. I think that's a bad code card. Sun and Moon's 3, 4, I don't know. Can't remember. Cool. Yep, that was a bad code card. No worries. You watched our last one when we opened up X1 Fates Collide. I didn't realize the reverse in the set is a break card, which is pretty cool. Again, another bad code card. 3. Hopefully we get a good break card though. I don't guess you're guaranteed a break card in there. Huh. Okay. Oh, that was a rough mystery box. No hits out of it. I don't know value wise, but I'm hoping it was close to value, and that's all we got. So hope you enjoyed it. Tune into the next one.